Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is day 2 of our DevOps series, and today we are starting with Linux because in DevOps almost every server runs on Linux. We need to set it up first on our system. We'll use something called WSL, stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. In simple terms, it lets you run Linux directly inside Windows. To install it, just open PowerShell as an administrator and see what Linux options are available. Here you can see Ubuntu, Debian, Oracle, we have too many options. So here I'm installing the Ubuntu flavor. For me, it's already installed. For you, once installed, you can check the installations using WSL-L-V. The output gives you the Linux distribution you just installed. Now we are opening our Linux system. -D means distribution. We are specifying which Linux to open with root user. If you see the username here, the username is root. That means highest privileges. So, in production, don't use the root user. Don't worry, you can create a new user and switch to it by using simple command called add user. Add user and username is I am giving it as DevOps girl. And it is asking for password. And some basic details like full name, number and all this you can skip it and click on Y. That means yes. We can check if the user was created or not in etc folder. Okay, etc password folder. Don't worry, we will discuss in future videos. For now, it's created. Now, let's change the permissions of this user by using user mod. -A means append, G means group. That means we are adding the sudo group for this user, okay, to this user. That means we are giving the admin rights to this DevOps girl user. Now SU means a switch user. Okay. Once I switch to the DevOps vibes, you can see DevOps girl @ and my laptop name is showing. Okay. That's it. Now coming to commands. LS means list files. Currently there are no files. PWD means present working directory. That means current folder. Where we are in current path? In home in DevOps girl. Okay. Then mkdir means create folder. That means we are creating a folder. In Windows we will create a folder, right? So in the same way in Linux we can use mkdir. Okay, if you do ls you can see the demo. CD means change directory. We need to go to that particular folder. If you again see PWD, now we are in demo folder. Clearly you can see there. Touch is the another command to create the text files or any files. Okay. Now if you do ls, you can clearly see that in our folder we just created a new file. VIM is the another editor. Like what's the difference between touch and VIM? VIM we can enter the content. Okay. Here you can press I to insert and write our content there. Here I am writing some content, some random content. Okay. Once done, you have to press escape. Okay. To the shell mode. So press escape and to save it :WQ for saving and exit the VIM editor. Okay. Now I want to see what's the content inside this text folder. you can use cat command. Okay, cat command. See, we are already seeing this content inside this text file. Okay, now what the two dots means? Okay, we can go to one step back. Now if you can see PWD, we are in DevOps girl, not inside the demo folder. Okay, then next we can again move to the demo folder. Okay, now I need to create one more file but with same content. So instead of creating another touch, I can simply use cp command. Cp means copy. Copy the file content into the another text. Okay. So if I cat the copy.txt, you can already see the content, right? Cat file.txt the same as the cat copy.txt. Okay, cp means copy. If we do ls, you can see both text files. Now let's see rm means. Rm means remove. Okay, now I am deleting the copy.txt file. Okay, if I do ls, you can see only file.txt because we just removed it. Okay, now let's go back to our main folder. Okay, I am creating one text file. Okay, in the home DevOps guides. Okay, now here you can see one demo folder, one test.txt. Now mv command means move. I want to move this text file to inside the demo folder. So mv test.txt, what we are moving and which location we are moving? Demo folder location. Okay, if we do ls, there's nothing called test.txt because we have already moved it to the demo folder. Okay, let's check that. See, inside the demo folder we can see the test.txt file, and mv command is also for renaming purpose. For example, test.txt, I want to change it to test.test1.txt. Okay, if I can see it, it's already approved. RMDIR means remove directory. Okay, I want to remove this demo. Okay, I want to delete this folder called demo. Okay, if I do RMDIR demo, then it will not delete because there are some files inside that, right? Even if we are creating like recursively RMDIR, then it won't work. So you can simply say that rm-r demo. That means it deletes a folder and everything inside it. Okay, try these commands once. If you can do this, you have already started Linux. Please make sure to subscribe.